If you need to reset two-factor authentication on FuboTV, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions to regain access. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your FuboTV account using your email and password. If you cannot log in due to two-factor authentication, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Request a reset. Visit the FuboTV Help Center or support page. Look for the option to reset your two-factor authentication settings. You may need to provide your account details for verification. Step 3. Check your email. After requesting a reset, check your email for a confirmation message from FuboTV. This email will contain instructions or a link to reset your two-factor authentication. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email or follow the instructions given. This may involve answering security questions or confirming your identity through another method. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. Once you have successfully reset your two-factor authentication, log back into your account and set it up again. Choose your preferred method: SMS, Authenticator app, etc., and follow the prompts to complete the setup. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on FuboTV without any issues. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to FuboTV support for further assistance.